Guys, I want to show you something. I got so scared in this morning only. So I come as I allow Angela के पैक lunch रहे हैं नादिया off. So थोड़ा कितना है वाला बाका बना Korean कर अच्छा इला कैसे मिलते हैं याद आके था तबले पोमा करते हुए. दाके तो
Shut up, man.
दाके
Filma sumena. Oh, it is Korean. Vertical line.
Actually, this face mask में ऐसा हमें लाइन नितना था होगी चाहिए कि जाता सकाळ लाइन नित पाहिजे
तो कौन लगी
देखो यार काट्टा स्वरूप आपणाची कात सुट्टा दिवशी Oh my god, it doesn't hurt? Doesn't hurt?
No.
Nice, Maga.
Face.
Or it becomes smooth over.
Touch and see.
Why Maga सारखे बावली
कोण म्हणटा रागे आपलं कोण म्हणले हू ब्रोक दिस हे कितें गो आ सॉरी कोण सॉरी म्हण फास्ट जालें काबार न्हू वचय तो उडयले तो माव सोडवलं पळय काड बेबी काड दी काड डावन तूं डावन म्हण नाका काड
Kisha, remove. There, remove. There, remove. Go remove. Mama, remove and give. Yeah, remove and give. Yeah. Give me that. Give me. Thank you, my darling.
Hi guys, we've come over here in Swindon to one of these places called Herbs and Health. We do all kind of therapies over here. So Mama's got spondylitis, so she's come for her checkup. And I'm gonna do my ear checkup as well. My shaiko only at maka. Only na kana clean.
They are doing the candle wax therapy.
Yeah, I want to do that candle wax therapy, and very nice. Everything is natural and herbal over here. We prefer most of that.
For eczema also.
Yeah, we did come for Angel here before, and it helped because as you all know that Angel has slightly eczema issues for herself. What the consultant has said is like, okay, avoid eating dairy products a lot, spicy, crisps, chocolates. Try to avoid it because those are the most things that triggers eczema. So burya पण eczema भी है त्यांका the Angel chocolates ada. Angel eats chocolates, so that is the thing, isn't it, Angel? But now she not okay.
Yeah, doctor said to not take chocolates, sweets, and crisps.
And ऐसा say Angel होता अपना केला. So Mama, she's inside. She's getting that acupuncture. This no.
They have put some needles for her
It
back.
really pains. It really pains.
No, it doesn't pain.
It does.
It looks
If
like
I
pain.
try, it will pain a lot.
Yeah, but guys, I think like there are many problems, lot of different kind of problems that are there. Like probably arthritis problem or arthritis जाऊँ यानी किती जायचं असतं नॅचरल किती असतं भाई
treatments for it.
treatments. There are a lot of treatments that they do naturally.
They do cupping also.
Yeah, cupping also. Massage होता है दिसते जो special kind of massage. And the ear waxing
They have hair loss treatment, then ear wax treatment, then allergy test, blood test.
So guys, if anyone wants to take a look of that, to come. आप तो कहते फुलने की यहाँ दाखव तुम कहते maybe you can see. So this is all the herbals that they have over here. Hi guys, I've come to B&Q over here to purchase a dehumidifier. Yeah, because that's now winters
Moisture,
are
yeah,
winters have started and there's a lot of moisture happening. And my duyant pada biste. So other day we had seen couple of them. Here there are. I'll show you. Very nice, good range, good prices. Have a look. Okay, these are the air purifiers. Price bhi barabar, not bad. But bearing in mind this is air purifier, okay? Dehumidifiers are here, right?
Oh, Dr. Mini.
Oh, mini paito.
Mini aha to into te udo jata.
Oh,
48 pounds.
yeah, this is okay for someone's small room or something.
Yeah.
But we
This
need a bigger
is
one,
there.
isn't it?
It is 5 liters, one also.
Yeah.
Which one we were looking for?
I was looking for a big one actually.
This one, no? No.
One?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe that.
It's
Let's
16
see.
liters per day जाती तू.
Soita, minsu poito.
Musu गेला बरं.
That's guys. So there's so many good choices now.
Twista also is good actually, but नको.
Yeah, this is good, but this one is a
Yeah,
smart one.
Smart one, ultra quiet also. आम्ही
Yeah,
ते
quiet
आवाजाचं नका एक फॅन गेलो तो.
तिथे
फॅनाचे
एक फॅन हा आमकडे काय दौडला त्याचा आवाज काय दे आता साहेब
ओके
So-
एक Amazon Alexa आहे हा.
बघ ना Alexa also. Yeah.
20
This is-
liter per day, smart features, app voice control, low noise, which is it? What's it?
And has good features on it. Its tank capacity is 4.5 liters.
Oh,
There is another one. The first दाखवलं पाहिजे तो काय आहे तो 160 आहे एक हा. I'll show you guys. Yeah. So this is for 160. This one. This is the one. Same. That's the dehumidifier. But the tank capacity is 2 liters. Like 10 dehumidifier. म्हणजे imagine घरात थंडी रावता असताना उदो घरात 1 लिटर बी इसको ओढून काढप म्हणल्या तुमचं
त्यामुळे ब्रीथ कोताय सो इट्स तेका थोडी जाती सोडला ओके सो हेंगे या क्या और या तू पे कोत मरे
हा तू बी आज तुका हे नो पगार येलो तू कर चल ग
चल तू धर
तू राणा हे मग कोई न मग हा कामा खाते ते हांव तुका माना असं तर
So guys, the reason we bought the dehumidifier is for this. Seeing there's moisture happening here, water moisture.
अख्खे उदा बनेल तिका ना
Right.
उदका ट्रिप बनेल
I think percentage the droplets, water droplets. So which is not good. Then my thondi bin botta. So here I will show you the unboxing of that.
कार पावता म्हणल्यार अनेक डिलिव्हरी आहलो हिंगा दॅट्स एन Amazon थिंग दॅट आय हॅड ऑर्डर्ड फर्स्ट हमला आय टोल्ड नादिया वॉट एवर Amazon orders we get Nadia orders them so I'll show you what it is and why I have ordered this so and what dehumidifier Nadia have shown you why we need it रूमा हिटिंग लायल्या ओके क्वायट ओके दिसता पण जाता कितें you don't understand the humidity that is there inside the moisture that has been happening चोड माल पडटा मागीर ते मोल्ड बी जाता म्हणटा घरा न्हू ते तेका लागून जाता so I did not have this one before I was being told by my friends like okay they have been using आनी बऱ्या पडलो म्हणून म्हाका भुरगीं हांवें बऱ्या पडटा तो लायक मागीर थंडी पडटा ते कुल्मा बी बोल्ले म्हणटाय पळय व्हड्या थंडी जाली this is the reason so this is my Amazon product किती काय म्हण मीट ग्राइंडर आणि हे किती हेंगे क्रीम हेंगे क्रीमी पयशी मोडटा हेचे साहेबा आनी शॅम्पू आवय बॉडी क्रीम म्हाका दिसता this one is because आमी ते हेम कोत्ताय or those burgers that we make anything so we have stopped 99% getting meat product from outside meat product in the sense like prepared like pre-cooked food असताय पळय like burgers like chicken streaks या ते किती किती असतं पळय ते सो कांय हाडना आतां this one helps a lot आता हांव कॉकटेल लिगून हाडना न्ही एंजला लायक हॉटडॉग सॉसेज बी येताय पळय ते लिगून हाडपाक बंद केलें सो एंजल लायक्स अ लॉट ऑफ दोज सो दिस प्रोसेसर इज गोना हेल्प मी लायक टू ब्लेंड इजी त्या मिक्सरा मागीर मिक्सर बी मोडत म्हणटा मसाला करपा न्ही तितून ते मास कर म्हणून बजयना सो दॅट्स वाय आय ऑर्डर दिस प्रायम डील वॉज गोईंग ऑन So I told Nadia to order. It cost me about like 30 quids or something. Very good. So yeah, kurpa bara patole. So yeah. Once completely assemble kurpa easy kaina orle. Eskon disto peto. Eskon handle are koilano. And here are the levers. You just have to put this up. 5 liters it is. Very nice. Looks nice. Good reviews. Review वाचून गेले. Fresh meat, maybe it's beef, chicken, pork, anything you want to blend in this, you can. Vegetables you can blend. Even ginger, garlic, everything if you want to blend, you can do that. But my main motive to get this was to blend the meat. So halte cocktail korpa जाय, किती korpa जाय, हाल croquettes korpa जाय म्हणतो. इथून गायले सटर मारले, बाहेर काढले. So it's specially designed for that only, and that's the purpose I got. So guys, if you all want to have for y'all, you get this on the Amazon. Yeah, you can just Google on Amazon. You just can type it like meat grinders. One of those will be coming up. The Home Easy. This product name is Home Easy. I don't know how far good it is, but the reviews and everything was good. There was a Prime deal going on, so that's why I got this one. So let's see. It will serve the purpose, I would say. Now let's unbox the dehumidifier. What it says, okay? Smart features, app voice control, 20 liters per day, can be observed in low noise. Works with Google Home, Amazon Alexa. Okay, let's open. Nice packaging. बरोच जड हा म्हणतो बरोच जड खातो quite heavy it is straightforward काय नाही का बहुत को manual एक वाचून म्हाका दिसता I think so I have to just see how to connect to Wi-Fi and so here are the controls for that lock fan timer किती खबर ना humidifier mode power okay. The tank is this in line to kota kitli this what I bought is 4.5 liters of the capacity of the tank. Usually you get 2 liters, 1.5 liters, 2.5 liters. Geta ekupati gaya mane bara patna so but whatever is good like you know. So guys, it's been 1.5 hours. I've been testing it. So pa kitli udo zala kitpoite tumpe. You see that? That's the water inside.
It's not even an hour actually.
No, I put it exactly 9 o'clock and it's 10:25 now. And you see that? Yeah. That's the water. Now where the water came from? ये घारा इसको ती moist sand होतो पई थोडं सान मटे पे ती ओडून काढला. Hi friends, I hope you all have enjoyed watching this vlog. In this vlog, what we try to do is like you know we showed you all about the place where we took mama. Then चोडको दाखोवपाक गेले की त्याकू maybe जाय जाणा कोणा help जायत म्हणून because it's a Chinese therapy. They give
They have all herbal
medicines. Yeah, herbal medicine. We tried this for Angel before. Angela, we told you all like she's got slight eczema for herself. And we tried all not sort of creams and kite try every time to kids who have eczema UK is very common problem we have for kids dry skin zapala because of the weather thing or ek must take spray and cream dilo bora podi taka आणि mama ko take frozen shoulder ha so the frozen shoulder ha koi ki jal taka so it helped her a lot. Mama was saying the feedback is like you know she felt it very good. It seems she had it very nice, she felt better. ते acupuncture करता यार आतीरू आणि needles किती दुखता ती माझी दुखतं म्हणता ती quite obvious it will
I've seen मग भितर वचून दाखवलं तेणे so ते बॅका अख्खे needles तोपताय and then they did the cupping also so दुखतं म्हणता ती but then after that the effects are nice.
Yeah, she said like you know she felt way better कित्याक ते जाता ते she feels that कोणा जाता खबर आसतले so if it's a difference also she will know. Take quite a so she has said like it's very better. Every Friday we took a sessions for her,
Yes.
isn't it? They told us to come twice a week, but we like because of work and everything, Zaina Vika don't party papa dinga. So Taksalami Vika ek party at I mean like every Friday will come. So Friday also dinga session gyopa dekele. They asked me for 6 sessions minimum. My soya my mukaja zalaru.
Yeah.
But as if like okay, bara pata now you have to do what it is, and that's why we felt like okay to share it. Nadia ne te gailo ha dinga description kiri kotta hai so you can go through, and they said like a lot of customers do come in from London, far away places to them. There might be many other different centers around which we don't know a lot, but yes, I think so. This very good place. If somebody wants to give a try or see arthritis and all the other problems are there.
दोन आहे Swindon Brunel Center. One lady is downstairs, one lady is
I think
upstairs. I
this-
think they're both the same, but आम उंच हातेश फुडां गेलेले.
It's a business strategy असतली. Maybe they're both sisters. दोघां बहिणी बी असत. एक बहिणी सोकून गेला, एक बहिणी वयर गेला. किती असतले. But
Both are doing the same thing.
as far as it helps you out, that is what it matters is like it, and we found the results. It's good. So just felt of like sharing that thing. Secondly, किती काय म्हणलं like I have seen ते आम्ही BNQ वचून आम्ही तो dehumidifier हाडलो. So dehumidifier हाडपा reason first of all like हांव गेलो हाडपा आहलोलो. Savio मुगे friend ने he bought it one and तेणे म्हाका सांगलो की actually घेणे बऱ्या पडटा. Like मोस बी काटा कितें हें म्हणून आनी केल पाटी मागीर ते गोर मूल कोता हे कोता तितून हांव तें उरलो आनी तें हाडपा पावना सो दिस टायम वी रेडी फेल ओके वी शूड बाय वन आनी हाडटा बरो हाडया म्हणून सो वी बॉट इट द कॅपेसिटर इज लायक 20 liters द टँक इट सेल्फ वेन इट फिल्स इट्स अबाउट 4.5 liters so you get the capacity like there are like for 10 liters 5 liters 15 liters but tank capacitors are smaller तुमकां दाखोवना आतां जाल्यार पळय त्या तुमकां हाड त्या दिसा दाखयलो पळय 1-1.5 वर मारलोले इतलें सुमार उदक भरलोलें आतां काल आनी आयज मान दवरला टँक हाफ जाल्या दॅट मिन्स 2.25 liters ऑलरेडी
बोल्ला.
बोल्लो आहा तितून सो घरां इन पावस काय म्हणा भितर आम स्प्रे मारूं मोन हे उदक हुंचे येता दॅट इज द condensation
Yeah,
that
it's
take place in the
humidity,
humidity like the steam zada ki zada
And it says that it dries also clothes. Like I've not tried yet, but जे रोपू सुकतो म्हणटिंदो. So we'll
Oh, the
try
moist
that
one,
and we might give you a feedback later on that because आम्ही try केलं ना अजून.
अजून केलं ना ते रोपय सुकता तितून कित्याक विंटर आम्ही I don't have a driver at home so I have to take clothes to dry in the laundry and it cost me about like 10 quid for a week so 10 pounds a week जालें 40 pound म्हयन्या जालें म्हगेलें या मोडपाक तितून म्हाका ते 10 pound बिल एक्स्ट्रा इल्लें म्हाका उरलो ना
आता
तितून
फक्त बिल येत तेजे कळटो.
बिल इतलें हांवें चोयलो ते रेटिंगूच चोयलो व्हेरी गुड इट्स नॉट एश कोन मेवता ते जायते भाशेन न्हू
Yes, but certain आम्ही अशें करून आम्ही ते रेटिंग सोयनू घेताय लायक सम
होय आनी बाय द वे सेकंडली कितें काय म्हणे तो लायले न्ही शीन वाल्या घरात शी आहे ना यू डोंट फील कोल्ड हिटिंग मातशें मारलें न्ही तुवें आनी हो लायलो आहा तो हिटिंग मारलें मागीर रोखडें घरान गरमी जाता चोडी मारली जाल्यार पळय अशें आंग हरपोताय म्हणटाय अशें म्हगे फ्रेंडान म्हणलें की चड उगो तें कोण नाका चड उगो म्हाका चोडी ट्राय जावपा 40% हें दवर म्हणून ह्युमिडिटी दवर म्हणून people who live in like studio flats or anything like or people who share the house and live in a room or something there are small capacitors as well buy one and try it for yourself anyway UK is one best thing is like if you got 28 days policies if you don't like it give it back but if the product is serving you the best purpose why not like keep it hard I try kore like general ma pora diya tumhi पण ते हा याने एक ट्रिक हा म्हाका एक पयर बोल्लें न्ही गो बेबी right about that I bought a gadget for myself and the policy said if you don't like 28 days return mukailo asogana term and conditions they be so big who goes to read in that it said intact seal should not be broken and it has to be has an original packaging but seal break kela hai to so they had to say like a nah but I was lucky enough to exchange it because I gave that product back and I had to buy something which is 3 times more expensive than what I had purchased.
Yes.
And that's why they agreed to get it. And they did explain me and they showed me also thinking and especially guys, this is what I had bought it from Argos. So any people who buy things from Argos and all, just be careful. Like in the UK, there is a store called as Argos. You buy them and if you all purchase anything down and if you all think, okay, I'll use it and give it in 28 days, make sure that you don't break the seal and you give it back as it is. Otherwise, they can refuse it, and you can't argue on that one because you already broke the seal.
Yes.
But lucky enough, next product what I bought was like 3 times more expensive than the first one, so they accepted it. But anyways, guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this vlog.
You forgot to tell about my face pack.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, the face mask actually. तो हांव रातिको लायता, like when I'm off and all. So actually I've seen that on TikTok. TikTokaचे गेलो.
मुगे कितें जालें तें सांग मुगो.
कितें?
हांव कामां सायलें.
ताका खबर नासलेली.
खबर ना हेड लायलो म्हणून तोंडां. आनी हांव कामां येयलां. कामां सायला. I came in the morning, like, as usual, all guys know I come in the morning. हे कितें काय म्हणे तोंडां सारकें शायन जावन कितें जालां हेगे तोंडां.
ना हांव न्हिदलोलें आनी तेन्ना उठलां. He got scared. कितें जालें काय म्हणपाक like plastic
like
as
wax doll, like I was scared. So what the hell, like,
So I said that is a mask. आपण तुगे मुई कान दाखोय तुवें सगलें.
they ready नासलोलें काडपाक. She was not ready to make that. I said, okay, I'll show it. But
it gives a good. I use that product like throughout, or so maybe I'll change that. I'll try anything on my face which works, and I'd like to try different.
It is nice, but no, it was nice.
TikTokaचे गेला Korean face mask, so it gives a nice glow also, shiny येता.
Now, what is the best mask you do? That we have to show you.
Yes.
The turmeric yogurt ki dikhang ko to
Yeah, rice powder.
Rice powder. That is the best one, I'll say. Hore to bahut jata to आवाज ऐसा काढ़ सा डाल दे.
But सांगता because I have to put that mask for him.
Yeah. But you remember we had told them that we were going to show that.
Yes,
So you have to show that
also.
also. So Nadia आज सांगता कोर म्हणून आणि त्यांना व्हिडिओ करत त्याचो आणि ते नेक्स्ट व्लॉग आम्हाला तुमकां दाखवत माहिती केलं पळयतो. Okay. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this. Stay safe. God bless you all. And a final word to say, adios.